K919 MAX GPS Drone 8K HD Camera, 3-axis Gimbal, EIS Anti-Shake, Obstacle Avoidance, 5G FPV, Touchscreen Remote, 28-min flight. Unleash your creativity with the K919 MAX GPS Drone, a premium-grade aerial photography solution engineered for precision, performance, and professional quality visuals. With a cutting-edge 8K HD camera, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, and intelligent laser plus infrared obstacle avoidance, the K919 MAX is perfect for filmmakers, drone enthusiasts, real estate pros, and anyone looking to capture the world from above in stunning detail. Whether you're flying for work, fun, or content creation, this drone is packed with all the high-end features you need, without the high-end price tag. Camera 8K HD camera with 3-axis gimbal plus EIS, ultra-stable, professional footage. Shoot like a pro with the true 8K high-definition camera mounted on a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, offering full stabilization on pitch, 110 degrees, rule, 45 degrees, and yaw, 65 degrees. Paired with EIS, electronic image stabilization, the K919 MAX delivers crisp, stable, and cinematic video even in strong winds or sudden movements. Adjustable lens via remote controller, 110 degrees ultra-wide field of view, 50x digital zoom for close-up detail, frame rate, 30 FPS for smooth, high-quality video. SD card support for local storage, required for full 8K capture. Cell phone integrated screen controller, fly with clarity, no phone needed. The K919 MAX includes a high-resolution screen remote control, eliminating the need for a smartphone connection. Get real-time FPV, first-person view, directly on the screen via 5G Wi-Fi transmission, with a built-in repeater to extend range and reduce signal loss. Control and view in one device. Up to 5,000 meters transmission distance. Live preview, image capture, and settings all at your fingertips. Shield dual obstacle avoidance. Fly smarter, fly safer. Equipped with both infrared and laser-based obstacle avoidance, the K919 MAX provides 360 degrees real-time scanning of your environment to prevent crashes. Infrared sensor for short-range object detection. Laser scanning for high-precision obstacle awareness. Fly safely in tight spaces, indoors, or in unpredictable outdoor conditions. GPS plus optical flow positioning, advanced flight control. The K919 MAX features GPS satellite positioning combined with optical flow sensors for ultra-precise flight control. Enjoy intelligent flight modes that allow for hands-free operation. Auto return to home, RTH. Follow me mode, waypoint route planning, surround, orbit mode, gesture photo and video capture. Perfect for both beginner pilots and experienced aerial creators. Brushless motors plus carbon fiber build, engineered to last. Under the hood, the K919 MAX runs on powerful 1504 brushless motors, delivering exceptional thrust, low noise, and resistance to wear. Combined with its carbon fiber frame, the drone is built to withstand tough landings, drops, and high wind conditions. Lightweight and durable, resists scratches and impacts. Professional performance with hobbyist-level ease. 28-minute flight time, long-lasting power. Fly longer, charge less. The K919 MAX includes a 7.4 volts 4,500 mAh intelligent lithium battery, providing up to 28 minutes of continuous flight time per charge. Fast charging, approximately 4 hours. Modular design for easy battery swapping. Smart battery monitoring via controller display. Compact foldable design. Take it anywhere. With foldable arms and a portable build, the K919 MAX is travel-ready and space-saving. Expanded size. 37 x 34 x 10.5 centimeters. Folded size. 18 x 10 x 10.5 centimeters. Easily fits in a backpack or carrying case, optional. What's in the box? 1 K919 MAX GPS Drone. 1 screen remote controller, with built-in display. 1 4,500 mAh smart battery. 1 charging cable, 4 spare propellers, 1 screwdriver, 1 user manual, 1 carry case, if included in your package. Note: SD card required for full resolution photo and video storage. Not included. Why choose the K919 MAX 8K UHD camera with 3-axis mechanical gimbal? EIS anti-shake for smooth, stable footage. Dual obstacle avoidance, laser plus infrared. Integrated screen controller, no phone needed. GPS plus optical flow for pinpoint accurate flying. Up to 28 minutes of flight time. Brushless motors plus carbon fiber durability. Professional grade drone at a competitive price.